Chicken wing of the red, white, and blue slaw. All right. A lot of people ask me what my death row meal would be. Odd question to get a lot of, I know. But for me, it's the chicken wing.
Why on death row?
Exactly. I don't know. Last meal, perhaps. I think there's a coffee table book about that. But these gorgeous chicken wings. And we call it the king wing, right? We got the drumette and the flats. In the comment section below, are you a drumette or a flat person? You know, I'm personally team flats. Team flats.
Team drums.
What? Perfect. It's not an argument. We make a great compliment.
There we go.
Yeah. So today I wanna mix things up a little bit. I've got two seasonings that both highlight honey. I've got Lane's Barbecue Honey Sriracha, and then I've got Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue. So today we'll be doing the double honey wing with what? Red, white, and blue slaw. Let's get into the action. So let's not overthink it, you know, a little bit of seasoning. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, Lane's. And these are great companies, these guys. They do seasonings primarily for you know, your barbecue. And they're using ingredients that I've never seen anybody else use. So we've got dehydrated honey, dehydrated butter, dehydrated sriracha. Like, they do some really cool stuff. I still want to go in with a little bit of salt, though. I do. Salt's just an amplifier. And now we're nice and seasoned. So let's come over and check out our grill setup. So come on and look. We've cruised up to 400 degrees. That's fine as well. Now I've got one of my favorite setups today. Indirect on one side, direct on the other. You know, there's 20, 30 different setups that you could do, especially with the accessories that we have. But this is my go-to. This is my favorite. All right. Let's talk about these wings. There is a presentation side and a non-presentation side. Whenever you're cooking anything, presentation side goes down first. A slight hiss, that's good. That means all that fat under that skin is going to start rendering. Notice how I'm pointing the bigger piece towards the open flame. I don't want to go over here and have an uneven cook, but I do want the thickest part of the wing to kind of be right there in front of that heat. Every time I see these chicken wings, it's like the first time I've ever seen them, you know, and I just fall in love all over again. These things are just absolutely singing my song right now, and we're only halfway done. Not complicated here, folks. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them. Now remember, there was honey on there, so it's going to be a little sticky, so just make sure not to rough up the skin too much. But we're going to keep that big, thick side towards the fire, close the dome. We'll check back in 20 minutes. While those are finishing, let's go ahead and pull it all together with a red, white, and blue slaw. You know, don't overthink it, right? You can go with colors and whatnot. You can say if it grows together, it goes together. But I've just chosen some really simple things that make me think of wings, all right? So celery, obviously, you know. Blue cheese makes sense, and a little binder with some blue cheese dressing. And then for color, the white, I know it looks green on the outside, but when we get in this fennel, it's going to have a really pronounced, beautiful flavor that's going to accentuate that honey flavor on the wing. So we're just going to slice this thin for the slaw. And then red bell pepper. So it's going to be this beautiful, festive looking slaw. The only thing it's missing is the carrots. I just didn't want to put them in there. Super simple, fresh, crunchy, going to go great with these double honey wings. Blue cheese celery slaw already winning. Double honey wings? What? I'm gonna go a little Frank's. Not much. I don't want to overstate the honey, but I do want some buffalo sauce on here. That's not much for me. All right, so you know, fine. And then we'll just play around with presentation. These are definitely done. Wings are interesting. They get to an internal temp. You know, chicken's done at like 165, but the wings don't get tender with the dark meat until they're like 170, 175. So we've got a really nice fall apart texture here, which is exactly what we want. Look at that. Jeez Louise. I tell you, it's been a minute since I've seen a wing mountain as exciting as this. That's us, team. That is us. These wings, all the things. All right, remember, today's recipes are tomorrow's traditions. So you do these with friends, family, kiddos. I mean, this is one that could be locked in for years and years to come. I love the contrast to the deep red, and it got some smoke. It's got some beautiful honey seasoning in there. It's got the rendered fat. So we're gonna have contrast in textures, colors, flavors, a lot going on here. And then of course the red, white, and blue slaw. My goodness, this is just, I don't have enough good adjectives to use right now. Let's just get into it. Should we give it a go? I think this is the one for me. I know I said it was a flats guy. We're gonna go drum today. I'm not team drum. I'm just going drum right now. Okay. Honey comes through, not just in the caramelization, but in the bark. Sweet. I can't help myself. I told you I was a flats guy. Watch this. Whoop. I'm gonna just sit here and eat these all day long. I mean, these are an excuse just to throw a party. Let's be honest. I would even go out and make new friends just so I could throw these another time and not hit the repeat button. Not that anyone would mind. Red, white, and blue slaw, a lot of fun. Good cooling factor on that red hot there. This is awesome, right? Wings, top 5 for me. If you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed cooking it for you today, do me a favor. When you see this on social, like, share, comment, all the things. And as always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.